Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Good morning, monkey. Your teeth are sparkly white. Did you brush them? Good job, monkey. I like to brush my teeth too. I brush them every morning when I wake up and every night before I go to sleep. When I eat, I chew with my teeth. And then I brush my teeth again. Let's go brush them now. This is my toothbrush, monkey. Isn't it pretty? Mummy or Daddy put yummy toothpaste on it, and then they let me put it in my mouth and brush. Like this! Come on, monkey. Let's show Mummy and Daddy our pretty teeth. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunny.